Here are pages of LC, and I am going to explain, just guide you for doing that. And this is the first page. Strategies for attempting comprehension means you have to read the title and you have to read the questions, and also you have to read the paragraph well, and try to understand what has been given in the passage. So there is passage 1. This is about human being and about human beings and their process of just spoiling or doing wrong on this earth. And this is the way that they have disturbed the nature. They have disturbed eco system of our atmosphere. So it is about that what the human being is doing also, and that also has done before. So questions are here related with that passage. And here question number 3: find words from the passage which mean the same as the following: a particular period of time. So it is one word word has been given there, that is Pleistocene. So Pleistocene means age, means particular period of time. So you will find in para 2 Pleistocene, age. And second, general agreement. So word is there in para 3, consensus. So consensus means general agreement. So write that word. And here is second para. So read this also. And in this LC you will have also to learn about how to solve questions, and after reading carefully. And here you will find also note making. Yes, it is note making here. Read the passage very quickly, as I told you many times, and I have sent you video also. So this is again about your note making, and read again carefully. Under the main content points, you underline the main content points as you have read, as I told you also. And avoid complicated abbreviations, and use keys and symbols and other short ways to write note making. So it is here for your note making, page number 45. You have to do this. And again here is one para, but do only one, because many things are here to do that. But in your time you can. Short composition is about notice writing. You know very well, you have to follow the instructions. As first you have to mention the institution's name, as here you can see here. That should be in block letters, and notice should be also in block letters. And then to the left side, write down, mention the date, and then as here class debate competition. So it is about the heading, and it should be in 50 words. And to the below you have to write your given name in the question paper and your designation also. So do only one notice writing, and it is drafting. It is not in your syllabus in month March, April and May, so leave this. And here will be now your question from the chapter The Tiger King. Yes, so you have read well, and now it's time for you to write answers. So Kalki, the author of The Tiger King, has used as a background days of authoritative kings. I think this answer should be correct. Authoritative means who were authorized, who had power. So authoritative kings dominating their subjects. Yes, it is in this chapter. In the story The Tiger King, destiny proves to be all powerful, because destiny was, as he was being predicted by the astrologer, that he will be killed, or the cause of his death will be a tiger. So though it was not a living tiger, it was not a live tiger, it was not an alive tiger, but it is a, on the contrary, it was a wooden tiger. So uh, whose thrones they had pierced his hand, and it just made wound in his hand, and it increased, and there was a infection in his whole body, and this was caused of his death. So this is all about his death, and prediction that was by an astrologer that came to be true, and he could not prove to be wrong, though he had killed 100 tiger, but he could not prove it wrong, and he was killed. So what is the matter of vital importance the author wants to disclose in the beginning of the story? He wanted to disclose that what had happened in the end about the death of the tiger king. Though he was powerful, though he was brave, but he was ironically he was killed by a wooden tiger. So this point he wanted to disclose. This time he wanted not to disclose, and wants to disclose in the beginning of the story, because he wanted to you can also write there here that one thing he told that he had written that anything cannot make him to move back from writing this story about the tiger king. And next, how does the author satirize the upbringing and education? It was there ironical that the tiger king, when he was a child, he was there means he was brought up under the English things, as English cow, as English tutor, and so it is a matter of satirize, it is matter of irony there. So because Indian cows and Indian tutors, and we are also very good in compare of other countries, so this is not correct that only English cows can give milk in the best way, or that can be powerful after drinking. So it is not correct. And what is your opinion about the Maharaja's statement, you may kill even a cow in, means you may kill a cow in self defense, means there was no ban of killing, of hunting. You can kill a tiger, you can kill also a cow. So when you can kill a cow, then no problem in killing the tiger, means tiger killing was not banned, even even hunting was not banned at that time. Why did the Diwan suggest the Maharaja? Because he was afraid that his subject will not support, and he will be victim of Congress at that time. So Diwan had suggested this. And the story is satire on the conceit of those in power, yes, because the tiger king had used his power, and he had killed hundreds of tiger. In this way he had made disturbance, he had created disturbance in the balance of ecosystem, in the balance of nature. It should not be here, as at the present time tiger hunting or even any hunting has been banned this time. So these animals should not be hunt, because these have also full right to live their life, and no one has to just kill them. And now it is about here an elementary school classroom in a slum. So you have read well this poem also. What do the faces and the hair of these hair means just like those hair were just like of the children, they were means hair scattered here and there on their faces, as wild plants are here and there uncared, and their faces were just like dull and pale and without energy, and no energy was there on their faces, means they were energyless and they were dull, and they as they were having lack of nutrition, and they were very poor, having weak body. And why is the head of the tall girl weighed? So many answers are here. She was worried about her poverty. She was worried about her miss. We should say they have to face a lot things, and so miseries were there. So she was thinking, maybe she would have been thinking about those miseries, about her poverty, about her hungerness, about her poor condition, and many thoughts were coming into her mind. So she was thinking over. So her head was weighed there. Explain the paper swimming boy. It is a metaphor here, because the boy was as thin as paper, and his eyes were just like rat's eyes, because his eyes were trying to capture, because his eyes were greedy eyes, as they were, and also that boy also was depriving of many things. So his eyes were capturing, his eyes was trying to just seize, seize, just catch, just have many things that were not with him. So it is, you have read, and try to write yourself. So you have to do here, till here, means the chapters you have read. What does the phrase sour cream wall symbolize? It is about the dull wall painting, and it was means without any attraction. The classroom was there, and so you do that, and this is all about. Okay, thank you, and Jai Hind. This is NC discussion, and here is passage 1. Here human beings are in the process of dramatically. So you will have to read this passage, and then after reading you will have to just answer the questions that are asked. So I am coming to the note making here. Just wait for here. Here will be 2 chapters also here, note making and summarizing skills, as you have read carefully, and you have understood well. So here also it is about that, and many things you will get here. Note making will be here, and short compositions you don't have to yes, notice writing is here. See here, notice writing, how to write notice writing, you will learn about that. And next will be here, I am just telling you, I am coming to that. You will have to find out to the Tiger King. So here are questions from Tiger King, and you will have to note down. Kalki, the author of the Tiger, has used a background